little Christmas balls. Welcome back to the merriest place on the internet. We are full on embracing irreverence today. Good for us. Today I'm going to be turning this tree into this. I hope it's cute. We're gonna see how it goes. I found a few inspiration photos on Pinterest that I didn't love and was like, I can do better. That sounds mean. Different in a way that I prefer. If you're new here, hi, my name is Kim and I'm very merry. I'm just a lady who loves Christmas trees and so I decorate a lot of them. If you don't hate Christmas trees, feel free to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Enough of that. Here we go. Okay, I'm gonna start with the flowers. I have two different videos about how to do this. One, it was like spring flowers, one with poinsettias. Poinsettias, I can't say that word, just get over it. I will link with the tutorial on it, description, whatever, and it's gonna be the exact same way. I'm just going to, once all the wraparound stuff's done, add in some golden things. Balls, it's gonna be balls. And we'll go from there. So, time lapse maybe, I don't know what's gonna happen. Quick tip before I really do just like power down and do all this winding and garlanding and wrapping arounding. When you buy flowers, no matter where you buy them from, Dollar Tree to the most high-end designer store, they're gonna come looking kind of like this, right? They're gonna be just really little. Florals are on wires. Always fluff them. I think I say this in like every video, but I just don't think enough people understand what you can get from these different, they're the same thing. When I put this in the tree, there's a nice of flowers, but when I put this in the tree, it's bigger. And for our purposes today, taking up a lot of real estate on the tree is gonna be crucial, so you don't have to have 100 bunches of flowers. You can do it with like 20. I don't know how many I have. I don't know, I've had them for years. That's all I can say. Starting up here, and wrapping it around. Here we go. Okay, this is the moment where we choose not to panic because it looks like junk. We're gonna just clean it up and polish it up, add in the individual flowers I have, and go from there. My problem is that these two rows go down like this, and these two rows aren't quite as vertical. They're a little more diagonal, horizontal, and these are a little too vertical. Christmas tree math. It is a process. I'm not gonna lie to you, it's a process. It takes time and it takes a lot of care and it takes a lot of back and forth so you can see the whole picture, but it looks so good when it's done. And so you just have to trust the process. And that's where I'm at now, is I'm finding it hard to trust, but I believe. Here, we keep going. Okay, all right, I think we are good on flowers for now. Now we're gonna go in with golden things. Here's what I have. Some picks. I don't think I want stuff coming out of the tree here because the flowers are like the focal point, but I might, these look really great in a topper and give a lot of height to a tree, and this is only like a 5 foot, 6 foot, 5 foot, 5 foot tree. It's only a 5 foot tree, I think. Anyway, so it makes it taller, basically. See, tree. Oh my gosh, we just added a foot of height to the tree. I also have all these Christmas balls, and we're just gonna decide what we're gonna do. I have a variety of sizes, and I have 2 different finishes. So I have reflective and I have glitter. I also have a couple of really big ones, 3 bigger ones. I think I do want to start with that just to take up some real estate. They're not the same color gold. Can you see the difference? One is just brassier and one is just softer, but I think we don't care. This microphone cord. We gotta go wireless. Maybe that's what I'll invest in next year. I hate microphones. I'm not gonna do that. So I'm gonna put one here. Just, yeah. Beautiful. See, that's really nice. All right, we're gonna go by size. We're gonna do one size in one finish, same size in that finish. Let's start with glitter because the biggest ones are reflective. I didn't even put my apron on. Who am I? We're gonna just start at the top and work my way down diagonally like I do. I also have a video on how I put ornaments on a tree here, my kind of weird zigzaggy way that I do it. Okay, how are we looking? All right, let's add some metallic ones now. Okay, let's do some smaller glitter ones. I have 2 sizes. I have medium and I have teeny. And like the teeny are really cute, and I might just do that actually. I think I will, because this isn't enough of a contrast. Tiny babies going on my tree. Cute. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. Let's shift gears to the topper. I'm gonna shove these in to the top, and then we're gonna add flowers, and then we're gonna see what we need further. Easy, tree. Everybody calm down. Now I'm gonna see about shoving these really up in the middle here, and then we're gonna add all these little ones. That's it, we got it, it's it, it's done, it's done. I have defeated it. I'm sorry. We both won because you are beautiful and I'm satisfied with how beautiful you are. So good job, high five. It needs a little something, something. I know what it is. Stand by. Extra lights. This is a battery. I just said a swear word about that. Okay. These are a strand of battery powered lights, and they blink, and they're not super bright, but they're very cute because they are, oh, there they go. Yeah, see, they're like the round ball cute situation, and they're gonna blink and it's gonna be cute, but I'm gonna put them on solid. I probably should have done this before I put the gold bulbs on, but we're gonna do our very best because I think it's gonna be really cute. Oh my gosh, I might actually have enough. Who is she? A professional. All right, what do we think? I gotta look at it. Oh man, you can kind of see it on camera, but I can see it in person a lot, and it just adds a little more dimension. Just like little twinkles here and there. Yeah, the twinkle effect helps. I love the warmth of it. I love the Christmassiness of it. I love that it is using flowers kind of like I would ribbon, and I love that the ornaments are very simple on it. And I love the little twinkle effect. So I do love the tree. What? Look at, we're like disheveled coming out of this thing. Holy crap, sister. Thank you so much for being here and going on this journey with me. I'm gonna put the video on how I do the flower garland more specifically right here, so you can click or tap and watch that. Thank you again so much for being here. I really love you, and until we meet again, sparkle on.